so just behave.
Самое сложное на мне. Surely find me. Have to be brave or better keep behaving. Count till I don't know what counts. Every inch of fear is all that's ingrained. Can't understand what's the solution. The problem is a mess in my brain. I'm pushed around with all the pressure to be here when I go where to stay. There's gotta be some sort of exit to get away.
Olive, what are you doing?